I like to go out back and get them some clover. We have a clover field. And they all come out and they eat the clover. All the birds. Oh, and I filled the pool, so that's why the duckies aren't coming. They're too worried about the water. Everyone's so happy. Hi, Cherry. I got some up here that are just being antisocial. I had to fight Hibachi, so he's over here sulking because he lost. Yeah, we see you. Are you done being an ass? Freaking rude. How are the chickies? They're perching. Getting older though, which is good. Okay, bye.